Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Harbor Freight credit card account. If you'd like to get access to your credit card account for Harbor Freight, then keep watching the video till the end since we'll be learning on step-to-step process on how to do it. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification button right next to it so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open up your web browser in order to begin. In the web address bar at the top, type in harborfreight.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the login area on the next page. Simply type in a user ID into the user ID text box that is associated with your account. After you are done, go to the next field and type in your password correct. Make sure to double check your password by clicking on the show link or the eye icon, and it will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on this Remember User ID box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked before logging in. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can click on this I forgot my user ID link and follow the on-screen prompts. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, click on the password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after you are done entering your credentials and you're ready to log into your account, click on the Secure Login button and you'll be able to log into your credit card account for Harbor Freight. With your credit card account, you can review your statement, make a payment, enroll in paperless statements, set up account alerts, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.